So this video is about managing stress when working on your CNC. Many people who are new to CNC stand in front of the machines terrified they're going to crash the machine. There's a simple technique to make sure that you're not terrified whenever you push the cycle start button. That you can push the cycle start button with confidence and without having to worry that you've made a mistake. If you don't obey these rules, you're going to spend every single minute in front of your machine terrified of pushing the cycle start button. This is demotivating and this is going to ruin your productivity. Let's start. So we've got some simple program here. Here is what the G code looks like. This is a very simple program to cut a circular pocket. And we want to push cycle start, but we're not sure if it's going to crash the machine, if it's some sort of error in the offsets or tool height offset or something like that. So what do? A very simple solution. The solution is we change our Z height to 4 inches above the part. This is so high that there's no chance of this milling cutter hitting anything at all. Then we set the feed rate onto a really high feed rate so we can watch the thing work. Now we run the machine without coolant. Now there are many different ways to set your Z height. You can change your offset for your for the axis system that you're working on. You can change it in your program and so on. But we're just going to use this method here. It doesn't matter how you change your Z offset. It just matters that your tool is way clear of your part. Now we know that there's absolutely no chance of this tool hitting the workpiece or the vise or anything at all. So we can confidently push cycle start. Here we can see the program running. And we can see it's doing what we expect and it's doing where we expect it to. So now we can change our ZX 1 inch down. So we change our Z axis 1 inch down and we run it again. So everything is looking good. Now I'm going to lower the feed rate so that I can pause and I can see where the tool is when it starts. Now I'm hitting cycle start. Okay, now I've hit the cycle stop button. And this tool should be exactly 2 inches above the workpiece. And what I can do is now I can get a 1, 2, 3 block, and I place the 1, 2, 3 block just next to the tool. So now I'm confident that this tool is exactly where it's supposed to be when I subtract 2 inches from my Z-axis. But wait, I have doubts. And I'm not completely confident about hitting the cycle start button. So I'm not going to be anxious and hit the button. I'm going to hit the button with confidence. And I do that by going 1 inch down. Now the Z is only 1 inch above the workpiece. Now I hit cycle start. And I pause. Now I place my 1, 2, 3 block in again, and I can see it's exactly 1 inch above the workpiece where it's supposed to be. Now I subtract 1 more inch. Now I can hit the cycle start button and do the cut for real with complete confidence. Here it goes. 7 more of these to do. Thanks for watching.